The equipment that we sell is used to produce materials like coffee that people drink, cereal that people eat, icing sugar that's on cakes, and pharmaceutical tablets that people take. Document control, revision control and change management, that's one of the major challenges that we have these days.
The importance of having documentation that is the correct revision is critical to the business. If an engineer is working to the wrong or incorrect revision, then it can be potentially catastrophic to the business.
Without Autodesk controlling all our documentation, a horror story could be a scenario where we finished a drawing, we send it out to manufacture. The following day that drawing is then changed. 2 or 3 weeks down the line the equipment comes into our shop floor and it's to the wrong drawing. We use Inventor, Product Design Suite, Vault Work Group for our document management and document control, and then ultimately we send all our approved documentation up to Fusion Lifecycle. The benefits of the Autodesk Vault connection and Fusion Lifecycle is that we use the Vault Work Group to have all our work in progress documentation in that area. The documents are then approved and released to our Fusion Lifecycle site, which means then that effectively we've got a work in progress where we know all our work in progress documentation is, and we've got an area where our release documentation is.
The Autodesk Vault product and Fusion Lifecycle integration removes a lot of blind spots in the business, where an engineer would keep hold of a document potentially longer than they should have. Now, because it's generated as a PDF and pushed up to Fusion Lifecycle, it can be viewed in the cloud from anywhere in the world.
The collaboration within our company is very important because we have an engineering department, sales department, after sales, which are all in various stages of the project themselves. The beauty of Vault means that all the documentation is in the one place. We know exactly who's working on what document and whereabouts in the system it is. So the actual Vault product itself and the Autodesk products do help in the collaboration within the organisation immensely.
I think what Autodesk did was really open our eyes to how we design things and how we can link the design and the manufacture process. Typically we would design something, this would come from a conceptual design, then it would go into detailed design, then it would pass for a group of people to look at how it can manufacture it. Where we had almost silos of activity going forward, we now actually have a much more combined operation.